Good day. I am Lorene Brittany Volban Arabejo. I am interested in administrative assistant, executive assistant, or virtual assistant position. With a proven experience in administrative support, technical operation, and customer service, I bring a strong work ethic, attention to details, and a proactive mindset that aligns well with the needs of your team. In my role as an administrative apprentice with the Philippine Air Force, I manage scheduling, handled emails and calls, prepared reports, meeting materials, and ensure the smooth operation of daily administrative duty. Additionally, my work experience at the Department of Science and Technology as a science research specialist and project assistant has developed my technical skills in calibration, record keeping, compliance monitoring, and customer service. These experiences has equipped me to deliver a high-quality administrative support services in both technical and administrative areas. I hold a multiple professional certification here in the Philippines, including licensed professional teacher, licensed electronic technician, and a certified calibration officer. Currently, I am studying my master's degree in industrial technology operation. Combined with my proficiency in Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, Canva, and POS operation, I am confident with my ability to bring comprehensive support to your team. Thank you for considering my application. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my skills and experience can support to the role. Once again, this has been Lorene, and I am looking forward for a positive response.